Hello guys, let's provide a solution to this challenge. The question reads, open bracket x all over 2 close bracket to the power of 2 equals to 2 over x. What is the possible value for x? So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that you will get notified whenever I drop videos on mathematics. So let's see how to provide a solution to this. So this is solution. Okay. Solution. Now write the question which is x over 2 or to the power of 2, okay, equals to 2 over x. Okay, having done this, we are going to put in the square, so we're simply going to have here, we are going to apply rule 6. We are having a over b or to the power of c is equals to c or to, is equals to a to the power of c over b to the power of c. So if we put this rule here, we have this to be x squared over 2 to the power of 2 equals to 2 over x. Okay, so if we cross multiply, we have this to be x to the power of 2 times x equals to 2 times 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so x squared times x is going to give us x cubed. Having x cubed here equals to 2 times 2 to the power of 2 is going to give us 8, because 2 to the power of 2 is going to give us 4, and 4 times 2 is going to give us 8. So we are now having x cubed is equals to 8. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring 8 to this other side. So we are going to have x cubed minus 8 equals to 0. Okay, equals to 0. So we say x cubed minus 8 equals to 0. Okay, also note that your 8 is equals to 2 to the power of 3. So you can see x cubed minus 2 to the power of 3 equals to 0. Okay, so from here we are going to apply a rule which is we're having a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b into the bracket of a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so if we put this through here, we simply have this to be x minus 2, okay, multiplied by x squared plus 2x, okay, plus 2x plus 2 square, close the bracket. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So if we open this bracket here, we are going to go back to this. So this, the whole of this is equals to this, equals to 0. So we are now having this. So having done this, using the product rule, we can say x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, and x squared plus 2x plus 2 to the power of 2 is 4 equals to 0. Okay, so we're now having this. So from here we can see x, from this fraction we can see x is equals to 2. Okay, so we are now having a quadratic equation here. We are having x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. And if you want to solve a quadratic equation, you can use 3 methods. One of them is the factorization method, the second of them is the complete the square method, and the last one is the formula method. So for simplicity's sake, we are going to use the formula method, which says our x is equals to minus b plus or minus the root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So from here we are going to apply the rule. So we can see x, our x is equals to minus 2 plus or minus into the root of 2 square minus open bracket 4 times 1 times 4 close bracket over 2 times 1. So from here we can have our x to be equals to minus 2 plus or minus into the root of 4 minus 16 over 2. Okay, since we are not having this, so we are going to solve further. Okay, we are going to solve further. So we can see from here now, we can now write this to be our x is equals to minus 2 plus or minus the root of, so 4 minus, this is going to give us minus 12 over 2. Okay, so this is what we are now having. Since we are now having this, so we are going to note something here. We are going to note something here, that our minus 12, the root of minus 12 is equals to the root of minus 1, okay, times the root of minus 12. Okay, because we apply the radical rule here. So, and you must note something, that the root of minus 1 is equals to your g, which is, this g represents your imaginary number, because the root of minus 12 is in form of a complex number. So you can say, which is equals to g root 12. Okay, we're now having g root 12. So from here we can simply break 12 down. 12, recall, g root 12, okay, g root 12 is also equals to g root 4 times 3. So if we put the radical rule here also, we'll simply have this to be equals to g2 root 3. So we're having, so we are now seeing the root of negative 12. Root of negative 12 is equals to g2 root 3. So wherever we see this, we are going to put, wherever we see root of negative 12, we are going to put the whole of this. So therefore we can see our x is equals to minus 2 plus or minus, okay, g2 root 3, okay, over 2. So you can see that 2 is common, so we can see our x is equals to minus 1 plus or minus g root 3. So divide by 2. So you can see that we are having two values here. So we can see our x is equals to minus 1 plus g root 3, okay, and x is equals to minus 1 minus g root 3. So we can see this is the second value, this is the third value. So recall our first value, this is our first value for x. First value for x, we got it to be x is equals to 2. So we are now having our second value for x as this and this. So if we want to simply write it, we can see our x1 is equals to 2. Okay, x2 is equals to minus 1 plus j root 3. Then our x2 is equals to minus 1 minus j root 3. So these are the values of x in this math challenge. If you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye. See you in my next video. God bless you and Jesus loves you. Thank you.